Good morning, mathematicians. The question that we are looking at now, we know from our feedback that the answer we need to select is D, but let's take a look at exactly why. First of all, you'll notice I have started with labeling this because our question does direct us to look at, for one of our factors, what is shaded in gray. Well, how many of these columns are shaded in gray? There are 6 that are shaded in gray. Out of how many total columns are there? Well, there are 10 total columns. So 6 of 10 are in gray. That also could be expressed as 6/10 this way, which certainly is the first factor that we're seeing. Okay, now we want to take a look at our second factor, which, as it tells us in the directions, is what has the x's. So that we're going to look at this way. How many of our rows have x's all the way across? Well, that is 5. And how many total rows are there? Of course, there are 10 total rows. So 5 of 10 have the x's. We could also represent that as decimal 5. That is why we see our second factor as 5/10. The place value is very important, boys and girls. Remember, the entire column or the entire row, when we are looking at a base 10 representation of decimals, is going to represent the tenths place, which is what I see in answer choice D.